Hey there, and thanks for watching. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a custom GPT that we recently built here at A.CRE called the Cover Letter Composer. So let's get started. Now, if you're unfamiliar with custom GPTs, this is a feature in ChatGPT that allows you to build basically your own custom or train your own AI model to perform specific tasks. In this case, the drafting of a cover letter. And so we've trained this GPT on just a proven framework for writing cover letters. And so we've trained the GPT to do that. It's going to ask us for some information. We'll feed that information to the GPT, and then it will draft a cover letter for us. So let's get started. I'm just going to say, let's get started. You can really prompt it anything. It's been instructed to ask for the information that it needs in order to perform the task. And that information is, okay, what are the details about the employer, the job description, ask for our resume, and then any personal insights. So I found just a job on the A.CRE job board. I'm just going to come here and just going to copy this information, paste that there. I'll also drop in my resume. Now, this is my resume from 2018, and it's just a random job, but it should serve its purpose. So I'm just going to feed those two things to it without anything else. And it's going to now read the PDF or our resume. And based on the details from your resume and the job description for the development manager position at Prologis, here's a summary of your background and how it aligns with the role. So now it's going to give us, call it, and then this is that framework. It's connecting the requirements of the job to our specific experience or education. And it's summarizing this for us. And this is so we have an understanding of its knowledge base at this point. So alignment and potential focus areas, your experience in real estate investment and development aligns well with the responsibilities, emphasize your leadership in managing large-scale investments, highlight your proficiency in financial modeling and project management tools. Your bilingual skills can be an asset in the role. Let's see, this is excellent. And then it says, please let me know what attracts you to this role, company, industry, and any additional experience you'd like to highlight. This will help me draft a cover letter that effectively. This is excellent. I'm attracted to the growth opportunity in this company. Please draft a cover letter. So based on that, I'm just going to give it just one motivation. It has that other information. Now it should draft a cover letter. Starts with a heading, whoever the recipient is, which at this point we don't know. I'm writing to express my interest in the development manager position at Prologis as advertised, with a robust background in real estate investment and development, including a key role at Northwestern Mutual Real Estate Investments and significant experience in project management and financial analysis. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team. The prospect of working at Prologis, a company known for its innovative approach and significant growth, particularly aligns with my career aspirations. At NML, I've honed my skills in sourcing, evaluating, and managing. So then it gives my role involves intricate financial modeling, due diligence, hands-on approach. Previously, as a development manager at Land Group in Panama, I led a diverse team for entire development. This experience has given me a comprehensive understanding of the development life cycle, enriched by my proficiency in multiple languages and cultural contexts. Educational background, particularly drawn to Prologis for its reputation as a leader in the industry and the vast growth opportunities it offers. I'm eager to bring my expertise in real estate development and investment, coupled with my passion for innovative and sustainable practices, to contribute to Prologis' continued success. So there's the cover letter. And then it says, please review this draft and let me know if there are any adjustments you'd like to make. Once finalized, I can convert. So we could now go back and forth, make edits. I'm going to leave this as is and say, please convert to Word. And now what it's going to do, it's going to take that cover letter and it's going to drop it into a Word file that we can download. And now there'll be some edits once we download that. Formatting won't be perfect, but having it in the Word format will make finalizing the cover letter that much simpler. And there it's done. Cover letter's been converted to Word. You can download it using the link here. So we just click this. That should open up. And there you have the cover letter. Again, we'll need to modify the formatting here in Word but you have it in the Word format where you can take it from there. So that is our cover letter composer custom GPT. Give it a try, see if it is helpful to you. And otherwise, thanks for your time.